Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing very well. Genuinely, I do. To whoever's watching this, hope you're having a great day. In this video, I just want to run through this trade setup that I've just entered. I entered this trade about 45 minutes ago. Basically, it's just a simple Fibonacci retracement setup from the low to the high. And just had a thought, actually, I might need to get out of this trade soon. But basically, if this is an A, B, C, where, well, you know it's an A, B, C because it hit common C wave targets of the 1.236, see here? And also, we ran into larger 786 resistance, which isn't actually good, now that I'm saying it, but nonetheless, I have entered this trade. Let me zoom in. We got below it, start trading back above it, and that's when I entered long. Stop loss at the lows, risking 1.5% this time. However, confidence level is not too high, simply because if this is an A wave, whether that's an A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then obviously this is the B wave, so we're basically looking at something like this. A, B, and a B wave always has 3 waves. It's always 3 waves. So we could be looking at a little something like this, where the 0.88 setup isn't as strong. So yeah, I might sooner rather than later, get out of this trade, depending on price action. We also failed to hold above 786. So yeah, I might just close manually. See what happens, guys, see what happens. I'm risking way too much. If anything, I'll just cut my risk. I'm gonna cut my risk, actually, that's a good idea. 4.34, quick maths. Now my stop loss should be around 500 or under. But I'm only gonna do that once we get to entry. Otherwise, you know, if we start moving up now, then I'll just be cutting myself short. But yeah, that's about it for now. I shall update you when I get stopped out or when something happens. As you can see, guys, I might just have to close my position, 2/3 of my position, because obviously I risked 1.5%. Now, because of the confidence levels has gone down, I want to kind of just risk 0.5%. So obviously, if I'm risking 1.5%, 2/3 of that would take it to 0.5%. So as soon as we start trading below my entry, as you can see, we're above it, so there's not really a need to close it right now. As soon as we start trading below it, I shall partially close my position and just let it fucking ride. If I get stopped out, it's only 0.5%. If it starts moving to the top side, obviously my TP, if it did end up hitting my TP would be well, 2/3 shorter, which would probably be about 2.3k. But it's better than nothing, but we'll see how it goes. I am fully aware that this could be a fake out of the trend line. However, I am glad I didn't take partial. I didn't close my position a little bit like I said I would at the entry, because we just bounced off it. I didn't even have time to react. Clearly, anyone else who took the setup, if they moved stop loss to break even, which did cross my mind, they would have got stopped out and potentially be out of this move if we do start moving up. But I shall keep my eye on this trade, and yeah, shall see what happens. As you can see, guys, full TP has hit. Let me just show you the trade. Account history plus 7k. Yeah, man, full TP hit. Turns out we decided we wanted to break out, and it was a good thing I didn't close my position. So full TP hit on a Tuesday evening, and gonna call it a day now. So yeah, thanks for watching, and peace out, goodbye.